Okay, in this video I'm going to show you how to change the front wheel bearing hub on a 2003 Dodge Ram 2500. And I'm going to show you the easy way. I've done it before, worked really good, so hopefully it'll work today. The first thing I did is I loosened the castle nut. I did that before I jacked it up. Then I jacked it up, and the reason you can tell that we need a wheel bearing is I can wiggle it back and forth. That could be a tie rod end, but with the fact that it wiggles this way, which could be a ball joint, but between the two doing it, that tells you that it's a wheel bearing. So I'm going to get this wheel off, and I'm going to hopefully show you how to do this in a quick, easy manner. Sometimes you got a kicker. She gets a little rust bound. Okay. The next step is to take these brakes off. Should be using a socket on this, but for some reason I can't find my 13, which is what it takes to get this caliper off. There's the caliper. Just set that aside. There, brake assemblies are off. Now we got to get this rotor off.
Tell you what though,
these are the bolts right here that you got to get out. There's 4 of them. As you can see, this one is really stripped up. Somebody really made a mess of this thing, and I'm not sure how I'm going to get that out, but I got to drive on a smaller socket or something to get that out of there. I've also run into that before. It's not an easy thing. What I had to do was put an easy out on here, and I don't very seldom have them things work, but it is working this time. So this bolt is coming out. What I did is I put a 1/2-inch extension on here, going back to this framework here and on the bolt. And now we'll turn the wheel. Okay, turn it. See how it popped it right out? Now I'm going to put it on the other side, and it'll probably come right out. So turn it to the left, to the right. Now I've got it hooked on the other side, same thing against the bolt. We'll watch it. Okay, turn it. Yep, pop it right out. That's how you get it out easy. Now with the bolts all the way out, we should be able to just pry this thing out the rest of the way. And there you have it. That's the hard part, normally. And now it's just a matter of putting it back together. Okay, so the new hub is in. Now we just got to put everything back together. Get the rotor back on, the brakes back on, and we're pretty much done. I'll try to tighten that castle nut down a little bit more once I get a wheel on it.